are in Bay 3. When parking your spaceship, please avoid parallel universes. Thank you.
And tiles have been shined to perfection.
Don't forget laser blasters!
Laser blaster testing complete.
Woohoo!
We're go for launch.
Great! Everyone count down with us, starting from 10. Here we go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Sorry. We did it! That's one small step for minifigures and one giant leap for Brickkind. The LEGO Galaxy is now officially open and Galacticoaster clear for launch! Best of Lunar Life, cadets!
See you out there!
Grand opening. Step this way to Spaceport.
Are we the cheering on?
We can't go. Yeah, I think the fort.
That's correct. For more on this story, watch this space. Check out the action. Safe travel in the galaxy.
Welcome in, cadet. Welcome in. Right this way, right this way.
Thank you.
Attention cadets, welcome to the Spaceport launch facility.
look sharp. Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the Asteroid of Probable Destruction. We've tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We've tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Biff Dipper.
Hey cadets, the C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separators. These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We need the cadets to move a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is out to find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Theta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. They're more than ever likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling you to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speed, too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, go, go! Before they can separate you, too.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, drifting in with a hot tip. We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together.
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering lab. Let's get mission ready.
Yeah, you can tell Lego was the first.
Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me?
Yes.
As the Asteroid of Probable Destruction is zooming closer to Spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. This one, definitely to keep it deep. Simply stand back and wait for my next selection. Pick quickly. Whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out is the one you'll keep. Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks. Now pick a wing. Which design will give you the speed you need? Remember, you need wings to zoom away from the separators so they don't catch up with you when doing what separators do best. Make your pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great wings, cadets! Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to try them out. Try different ones. That doesn't have to rock the first time. Pick quick. It's nearly done.
Oh, let's go down.
5, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we won!
It's just time for one big orbital station. You can see an extra really grab the submarine's attention. This means they'll chase you to the asteroid. Hurry, time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, cadets! You did it! Wow! That looks awesome, Rocketeers! Fast and stylish! Tuck your spacecraft key on the reader and upload your design to the loading bay so you can go for launch. Tap away, don't delay. Remember, cadets, you need to stay in your teams and work together to save Spaceport. Good luck, cadets. If Dipper, over and out.
They have to give them to one of the boys. Alright, you got her to take the boys take over the man.
They want their custom craft that we need.
One by one and 2.
Let's complete our mission and come back safe. Our spaceport is depending on you. Awesome spacecraft, cadet! That could really grab the separator's attention. Launching in 3, 2, 1, liftoff! In time! Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. That's a big swarm. Quick, head for the asteroid. They're taking it apart. Change course, now!